Hi guys! Happy New Year! I hope you had a great time celebrating the holidays with your family and loved ones. To kickstart 2021, I wanted to feature these products that I feel very useful for self-care, for wellness, and for everyone. These are products from Soul Apothecary. I hope you can see the brand, but I'll be putting all the details in the caption of this video. So naka-box siya na ganyan and may ribbon and everything because I received this last year agad. Yeah, but December, so for the holidays, and I feature them on my IG stories and I started using the products. Meron din silang ganitong pouch. It comes in red din and super ganda no material niya. And dyan, marami kayong may lalagay. I think available pa din to sa kanilang website. They are available at Shopee and Beauty Mnl and their own website. You can message them here on Instagram. Kasi purchase this. This is a good gift. Yung any season actually, hindi lang pang Christmas. Anytime na gusto mo may regaluhan. For me, I really encourage to give something for wellness. Sobrang appreciate yun ng mga tao, lalo these days. So, yan, nandyan siya. And dito ko nilalagay yung mga need ko for the day. Like essential oils or mga serums, ganyan. Depending on my mood or depending on ano yung kailangan ko for that day when I need to go out or even just staying here at home. So, I know na nandito siya sa isang pouch na to. So, dito sa pouch na to, hindi ko na inalis. Ito kasi yung nagpunta kami sa province before the holidays. So, I have here two products. Nahin na natin ito. Yung kanilang Herbal Spot Treatment. Ayan. Ito siya. Ayan, yung itsura niya. And, ganito siya. Pinapatak siya. Pwede ito sa pimples. Ayan. Tapos, very liquidy lang naman siya. And super daling absorb yan. So, kunyari may spot kayo, papatak nyo lang siya. And then, you spread. And then, it's to treat acne, insect bites. Ito yung pinagagamitan ko talaga siya sa kanya for insect bites. For some reason, sobrang lapitin ako ng insekto. Eczema, psoriasis, rashes, and to avoid scarring. So, if may nangangati din, pwede din siya for burns, for wounds, and for cuts. So, sobrang dami niyang gamit, kaya I always bring this with me. Makagat ng lamok yan. Normally, pag kinagat ako ng lamok, tas nangate kinamot ko, nagsascar siya somehow. Like, ang hirap or matagal siyang mawala. Pero ito, yung mga pinatakan ko nito dito sa legs ko, hindi siya nagkaroon ng ganitong parang itim-itim. So, kaya super love ko to. I always have this with. This one naman is Essential Oil Blend. One of their essential oil blends, natural, therapeutic grade. I super love this kasi kapag nahirapan ako umingar, parang barado yung ilong ko. Ito lang yung inaamoy ko. Ganyan, ginaganyan ko siya, na-roll ko siya sa ilong, dito, sa wrist, and dito din. Minsan dito pa nga sa dibdib para lang mas maamoy ko siya. And then kapag sa gabi, pag di ako makatulog, niro-roll ko siya sa pillow. Next naman, ito. Favorite ko yung kanilang Sleep Well Perfect Night Room and Linen Wellness Spray. This one helps me a lot kapag ina-atake ako ng insomnia or nahirapan ako makatulog. Ini-spray ko lang to sa kama, sa pillow, and then okay na. They also have skincare. Ito yung mga apat na nilalagay ko lang dito kasi these are serums, and though nasa amber bottles sila, ayoko lang ma-expose sila sa humidity and sa init din kasi dun sa kwarto medyo maano yung sikat ng araw, so dito lang siya. So this one is yung kanilang Witch Hazel Toning Mist. Meron siyang tea tree and vitamin C, so okay din to if prone kayo sa acne. Maganda siya, tapos very fine naman yung kanyang mist. One of their best seller, yung Advanced Repair Serum. This is their Estee Lauder, yung sikat na sa Estee na serum na parang dupe siya. So if you want something more affordable and made of natural ingredients, you can check this one out. This is for anti-aging and you can apply this in the morning and in the evening after cleansing and before moisturizer. So ganyan siya. Ayan, ang gusto ko yung dropper nila. Ayan, kasi matipid gamitin. Tapos, ayan. At ang dali lang niya ma-absorb ng skin. Ayan, ang bango niya. Next is, we have yung Brightening Vitamin C Serum. If you want yung mga vitamin C, ito, bihira ko siyang gamitin sa umaga. Normally sa gabi. And hindi araw-araw. Every other day lang ako nag-vitamin C. Ayan. Ito, sobrang, photosensitive. So, iwasan nyo na ma-expose to sa liwanag ng sikat ng araw, ganyan. Mas maganda kung nakatago siya kasi madaling parang pag nag-discolor yung vitamin C, medyo naapektuhan yung ano niya, potency niya. So, ayan. Kaya maganda na sa amber bottle and ganyan lang din siya. And then, siguro mga ilang drops all over your face and then spread mo lang. Diba? Kasi hindi matapang yung vitamin C nila. Ibang vitamin C kasi na serum na na-try ko, parang medyo matapang siya for me. So, ito, very light and okay siya even for sensitive skin. And then, lastly, I saved the best for last. Yung kanilang rosehip oil made of 100% organic rosehip oil. Ever since I love rosehip oil, ito yung sobrang gusto ko na ina-apply sa face ko. Kasi this is also good for anti-aging and pang-alis ng scars. So, ayan, ginaganyan ko lang siya. Nag-skincare na kasi ako, so ito yung huli. And then, konti lang. Ayan. And then, I massage it all over my face. Ayan. Okay. And don't forget the neck. And tapos gagamit ako nitong kanilang Rose Quartz Gua Sha. This is from Jade Roller Manila. Their sister brand. I'll talk about more of the healing crystals on my next IGTV video, so stay tuned for that. So, ayan, ginaganyan mo lang siya. Sobrang nakaka-relax na siya. Makikita mo talaga yung difference ng skin mo kasi mas ma-absorb yung oil, yung rosehip oil. Tapos, yan, pag ganyan. If you want to use both, you can apply first yung anti-aging serum. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you can check out Soul Apothecary here on Instagram and also on Beauty Mnl and Shopee. And they have really nice products. You can check the reviews and yung mga feedback also sa products nila. Super nice. I won't recommend something or a brand or products na hindi ko talaga nagustuhan. So ito, I'm very confident na magugustuhan nyo siya and magagamit nyo siya. If you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments and all the details will be in the caption. So just click the drop down arrows to see the caption and where you can find their links also. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something from this video and I hope to see you on my next IGTV. Have a great day. Bye! Nantok na ako agad kasi dahil dito.